Listen very carefully. Life for the top 1% of traders is like it's never been before. They have access to unimaginable opportunities and profitable insights, but most valuable of all, they have the access to their time and they can spend it however they want. Yet, for the other 99% traders, they're experiencing a new rock bottom. They're struggling to make ends meet. They're unable to make consistent profits, and they're constantly frustrated by their lack of progress. But it doesn't have to be this way. In this video, I will review the 5 traits that the top 1% of traders possess and how you can develop them into join the elite ranks of successful traders. So without further ado, let's diving into the first trait altogether. Number 1, intensive focus. All day traders have an incredible ability to focus on their trades, think quickly, and make sound decisions. It's not just about speed, but rather their concentration, as they can stare at multiple different computers and quickly decide exactly what they want to do in order to execute their trades without hesitations. To improve your level of focus as a trader, you can try various different techniques. Some examples could include mindfulness and meditations, which can help improve concentration and reduce distractions when the market opens. Setting clear goals and priorities can also help focus the mind on what is most important. Breaking down tasks into smaller and manageable chunks can make them easier to focus on. And lastly, setting aside a dedicated time before the market opens to make a trading plan will make a huge difference in your day-to-day trades. Number 2, elite traders think differently. Firstly, they may look at a different information than others. Or secondly, they may interpret the same information in a different way. If you're doing the same thing as 90% of other traders are doing right now, I promise you won't achieve a different result. Successful traders play the game at a different level and have a unique perspective and approach to research. Number 3, willingness to learn. Humility is the key to success. Every champion has a story about how they got there. Every Olympic athlete has a mentor or coach who shows them how to succeed. Skill development is a process that cannot be learned overnight. Number 4, discipline or the overall emotional resilience. Successful traders wait for the perfect setup before they execute their trades. They don't overtrade and they follow a set of rules and guidelines. They accept losses as they're part of their journey and they don't revenge trade to make up those losses. Are you treating losses as a learning experience right now? The best traders have a success rate of around 50%. So if you cannot accept failures and use them constructively, you will never succeed in this business. Number 5, attention to detail. A successful trade requires a plan, a setup, and a risk management strategies that great traders follow to the T. They don't miss any elements in their trades and everyone has an idea of how to get rich. But it's the execution that separates the wealthy from the poor. In trading, attention to detail separates the successful traders from the rest of the business. In conclusion, it isn't about how much money you have to start with or how many screens you trade with. The top 1% of traders process key traits including intensive focus, their ability to think differently, and the willingness to learn, discipline, attention to details. And these traits enable them to make quick and sound decisions, have a unique perspective on the market, continuously improve their skills, and manage their emotions in order to execute successful trades. See you in the next video.